How can I maintain good bladder hygiene while traveling? Traveling can be exciting, but keeping your bladder healthy on the go is just as important. Good bladder hygiene helps prevent infections and irritation, especially if you are concerned about bladder health or bladder cancer. Let's explore some simple, evidence-based tips to stay comfortable and healthy during your trips. First, staying well hydrated is key. Drinking enough water helps flush bacteria from your urinary system and keeps your bladder functioning properly. Aim for about 8 glasses of water a day, but if you're on a long trip, avoid drinking large amounts right before you'll be in transit for a while. Limit caffeine, alcohol, and sugary drinks because they can irritate your bladder and increase urgency. Water is the safest choice for hydration. Next, pay attention to bathroom habits. Use the restroom whenever you have the chance and do not ignore the urge to go. Holding urine for too long can lead to bladder irritation and increase the risk of urinary tract infections. If you're traveling by car or bus, plan your route with regular stops so you can empty your bladder comfortably and safely. Wearing loose, comfortable clothing is another simple step. Tight pants and synthetic fabrics can trap moisture and promote bacterial growth. Cotton underwear is recommended because it allows your skin to breathe. If you use incontinence products, choose ones that fit well and change them regularly to stay dry and prevent irritation. Good wiping habits are also important. Always wipe from front to back after using the toilet to prevent bacteria from the anal area from entering the urethra. Carry hand sanitizer or wipes 4 times when soap and water aren't available. If you get wet or sweaty, change out of wet clothes as soon as possible to keep your skin dry and reduce bacterial growth. Diet plays a role too. Avoid spicy foods, citrus juices, and artificial sweeteners as these can irritate your bladder. Eating light, balanced meals helps prevent digestive upset, which can sometimes affect bladder comfort. Travel stress can also impact bladder health. Practice relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation to help manage stress, which can sometimes cause urgency or discomfort. When traveling by air, choose an aisle seat near the restroom for easier access. Limit fluids slightly before and during the flight to avoid frequent bathroom trips, but don't become dehydrated. Inform airline staff if you have special needs and carry a small bag with extra supplies like wipes, a change of clothes, and incontinence products. On road trips, plan your stops ahead of time and keep a hygiene kit within reach. Consider using waterproof seat covers for added protection and comfort. If you're using public transportation, sit near the restroom if possible, and bring a travel cushion or seat protector for hygiene and comfort. Packing carefully is important. Bring enough supplies for your entire trip, including medications, incontinence products, wipes, disposal bags, and extra clothes. If you use prescription appliances, check with your provider about travel support and carry any necessary documentation. When you reach your destination, choose accommodations with easy bathroom access. Consider bringing a waterproof sheet or pad for the bed and check if laundry services are available. Maintaining your usual hygiene routine as much as possible helps keep your bladder healthy. If you experience symptoms like pain, burning during urination, blood in your urine, or frequent urges, see a healthcare professional promptly. These could be signs of infection or other issues that need treatment. Never ignore persistent or severe symptoms, especially if you have a history of bladder cancer or other urinary conditions. For those concerned about bladder cancer, good hygiene and hydration are part of a broader strategy. Chronic irritation and infections may increase risk over time, so staying clean, hydrated, and avoiding known irritants can support your bladder health. Remember, many factors influence bladder cancer risk, including genetics and environmental exposures, so regular medical checkups are essential. Always consult your healthcare provider for personalized advice, especially if you have a history of bladder issues. They can guide you on specific precautions, medications, and monitoring suited to your needs. With some planning and mindful habits, you can enjoy your travels while keeping your bladder healthy and comfortable.